All right, big breaking news that's coming in after India Today's report confirmed the VVIP perks being given to murder-accused Darshan. The Siddaramaiah government has been forced to act. Sources telling us that Darshan, in all likelihood, will be moved from Parappana Agrahara Central Prison in Bengaluru and will be shifted to Belagavi or to Bellary, to the prisons located in one of these two districts. So he's going to be shifted out of Bengaluru by the Siddaramaiah government in order to ensure that there can be no sort of influence wielded by the actor to get any perks. Big move that in all likelihood will be announced by the Siddaramaiah government very soon after India Today had exposed the series of VVIP perks that Darshan had received. We're talking about the fact that he had access to a cell phone, he had a cigarette in his hand, he was seen sitting with other accused, other murder accused, all of them chilling together in the Parappana Agrahara jail premises. Now you've got, in fact, the Siddaramaiah government cracking the whip, and sources telling us that Darshan in all likelihood will be moved from the Parappana Agrahara Central Prison in Bengaluru to either Belagavi or Bellary jail is what we're hearing. Now, besides that, the Siddaramaiah government has promised a detailed investigation. They've gone ahead and suspended 7 top officials, registered an FIR in this matter as well. And what we're hearing at this point is that Darshan has been named in that FIR too. So this is the big breaking news that's coming in. It's not going to stop at a crackdown. We're going to be seeing multiple transfers taking place to ensure that Darshan too remains in a high security setup and has no chance of going ahead and using his influence in Bengaluru in any manner. Siddaramaiah government reportedly will now be moving Darshan out of the Parappana Agrahara prison, and he will be moved to either Bellary or Belagavi. Big move coming in after India Today had shown you pictures of the kind of treatment that Darshan was receiving in jail. Barely any punishment for the murder accused, instead chilling during his time in prison. On the right of your screens is the picture of Darshan sitting in his cell with a phone in his hand. He was actually video calling someone on the outside, and seated next to him is a cellmate. So clearly they had access to mobile phones. On the left is the picture of Darshan with a cigarette in his hand and seemingly drinking coffee, having a great time with the other jailmates. Anaga Keshav is joining us live from Bengaluru with more details on this. Anaga, as a result of a reportage, the Siddaramaiah government forced to crack the whip, forced to act. We're hearing now that Darshan, in all likelihood, will be moved out of Bengaluru. It's either Belagavi or Bellary.
To either Belagavi prison or Bellary. This comes with the backdrop of Darshan nicely chilling and having a great time with his co-prison inmates. One of them is a history rowdy sheeter, Wilson Naga as well. In fact, the updated numbers, when we talk about the action taken by the government for the kind of VVIP treatment that we see, is that overall 9 officers, Akshita, have been suspended at this point. This morning 7 officers were suspended, but after a lot of questions that were raised to the government about why only jailers, why only wardens and lower hierarchy level officers, why not top officers, why no action against top officers was the question that was asked to the government. So, answering that, now Home Minister Parameshwar has said that we have suspended the Chief Superintendent, Mr. Sheshamurthy, along with the Superintendent, Mallikarjuna Swamy. So overall, Akshita, 9 prison officers have been suspended in this matter for huge negligence. There is no way that this could have happened without a nexus between jail officers and the prisoners. So keeping all these things in mind, 9 officers have been suspended. But apart from that, 3 FIRs have been registered. 1 accused in that FIR is Darshan. That's the confirmation that we heard from the DGP prison, Malini Krishnamurthy, that Darshan has been named in the FIR. Along with Darshan, 3 others who were found in those images, nicely having a great time with him, sipping the cup of tea and smoking cigarettes. All of them have been named in the FIR. So 3 FIRs are to be registered against Darshan and all those involved in the kind of shameful VVIP treatment that we just saw.
Okay, big step being taken now by the Siddaramaiah government, forced to act because of the kind of pressure really on them after pictures of Darshan enjoying his time in prison came to the fore. Darshan now, in all likelihood, will be moved out of Bengaluru, will be shifted to Belagavi or Bellary, and that's because the Siddaramaiah government wants to send across a message that there will be no tolerance for any sort of VVIP treatment in these prisons. Not the first time, remember, that this kind of a controversy is broken out in this very prison. Think of what happened with Sashikala, who was seen going shopping and wearing whatever clothes she pleased while being behind bars. So that itself put the spotlight on the kind of corruption, the rot in Parapana Agrahara. Now with this incident too, that question will be raised. And while you're seeing a crackdown on the jail administration, an FIR has been registered, and now Darshan will be moved out of Bengaluru, out of Parapana Agrahara to either Belagavi or Bellary. The idea is to ensure that he can't wield his influence, can't leave any jailer starstruck and use that to his advantage. So there'll be hopefully very strict monitoring also going forward. Let's tell you about the pictures and videos that have emerged right now from that Bengaluru prison, from Parapana Agrahara, that's gone viral and put the spotlight on clearly how things are being run in the central prison. Actor Darshan is in jail in a murder case for the murder of his fan Renuka Acharya and is getting VVIP treatment inside the jail. So he's not an actor, he's a murder accused in that jail and yet being treated like a superstar of sorts, like he did nothing wrong. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, after these pictures went viral and we reported extensively on it, has taken cognizance and has directed that Darshan and others be shifted to different barracks and jails. So the others that you see with Darshan there, including several murder accused like Wilson Garden Naga, who is a rowdy sheeter, they too will be shifted out. Karnataka Home Minister G. Parameshwar has issued orders suspending 9 prison officials and seeking a report from the DG. This after India Today had exposed the clear, deep-seated rot in the jail. In a video that we've accessed here on India Today, Darshan, along with another criminal, Dharma, they can be seen speaking to another criminal, Satya, on video call. And that's a video there on your screens. And this allegedly happened from inside the jail premises. There's also an undated viral picture showing Darshan seated in what looks like a park inside the jail, relaxing with a beverage, a coffee mug in his hand, as well as a cigarette in his hand. Individuals with Darshan included rowdy sheeters Wilson Garden Naga, co-accused Kulasena, and his manager. This is Darshan's manager, Nagaraj, who's also accused in the same case. Remember, Darshan, Pavitra Gowda and 11 others were arrested in connection with the horrific murder of Renuka Swami, a fan of the Kannada actor. Darshan, with his hired men, allegedly brutally murdered Renuka Swami for dropping derogatory comments under Pavitra's social media post.
ನ್ಯಾಯಾಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇದೆ, ಪೊಲೀಸರ ಮೇಲೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇದೆ. ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಅವರು ಜೈಲು ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಅದು ಒಡಕ್ ಪಡಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಓದಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಧ್ಯಮದಲ್ಲಿ. ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಂಬಿಕೆ ಇದೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಈ ಘಟನೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ನಡೀತು ಅಂತ ನಂಗೆ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಪರಮ ಆಶ್ಚರ್ಯ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಹಳ ಶಾಕಿಂಗ್ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಮಗೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ತನಿಖೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಇದನ್ನ ನಿರ್ದೇಶನ ಕೊಡಬೇಕಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೈ ಮುಗಿದು ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ.
ಫೋಟೋ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಸರ್ ಪಶ್ಚಾತ್ತಾಪನೆ ಪಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ.
ಇದೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಖೂನು ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅಥವಾ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅನಿಸೇನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆ ತರ ಇದೆ. ಅದು ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪರಿಶೀಲನೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತೀನಿ.
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಪರ ಇಲ್ಲ, ವಿರೋಧನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಲ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ ಆನ್ ದಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಸರ್ನ್ಡ್. ನಾವೀಗಾಗಲೇ 7 ಜನನ ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಕೆಲವ್ರನ್ನ ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಹೋಮ್ ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಸಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಯಾರು ಇದಕ್ಕೆಲ್ಲ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು ಯಾರು ನೋಡಿ ಅವ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಯೋಚನೆ ಇದೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ ಬೇಡ ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಅದು ಕೂಡ ಯೋಚನೆ ಇದೆ. ಇದು ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳ ಮಟ್ಟದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ. ಬಹುಶಃ ದುಡ್ಡು ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದಾರ ಏನು ಕಥೆನೋ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಎಂಕ್ವೈರಿ ಮಾಡಿಸ್ತೀವಿ. ಬಟ್ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ 7 ಜನರನ್ನ ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ಸ್ಗಳಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ.
The police departmental people, senior people went there, investigated. They found, preliminarily they have found about 7 people who were involved. So immediately they were kept under suspension. If there is the further investigation is going on. If there is an involvement of senior officers, we will take action, on them also. We'll keep them under suspension also. This is a lapse on the part of the department officers. It should not repeat. I'll see that this will not be repeated again and again. Every point of time, there are people who head this prison to take care of this prison. It is those people the negligence happens. It's not always. Whenever such incidents happen, naturally there will be some negligence at the top. And that is why these kind of things happen. So all the time it may not happen, but sometimes like this incident, it has happened. So we will take all the necessary precautions. That is why we have suspended the senior most officers. We will replace them with some people with integrity.
This has not been endorsed by the government. It might have happened because of some local adjustments with the local prisons in charge or whatever it is. The Home Minister has already has ordered an internal inquiry.
जेल के अंदर बैठकर कॉफी पीते हैं, सिगरेट पीते हैं, गपचुप मारते हैं, क्या एग्जाम्पल दे रहा है आपको? आप सोसाइटी को सस्पेंड कॉमन हो गया। 10-15 दिन के बाद उनको सस्पेंशन से हटाने के बाद वो ड्यूटी में ज्वाइन हो जाते हैं। सिटिंग जज का इंक्वायरी होना चाहिए क्योंकि एक गंभीर घटना है।
This shows the special treatment that Karnataka Congress government gives to criminals. It also shows the kind of rot in the system that is prevalent inside Karnataka police and Karnataka jails under the control of Karnataka Congress government. Rahul Gandhi talks about Nyaya in the entire country, and they are giving Anyaya to the victim, and they are giving special privileges and VVIP treatment to a person accused of murder. This is their true face.
Now, after India Today exposed the rot within the Parapana Agrahara jail, Karnataka Home Minister G. Parameshwara said clearly and admitted that there were clearly lapses on the part of prison officials and that all of this was happening despite massive security being deployed. The picture that you see on your screens that's gone viral, Darshan can be seen sitting along with his manager who's on the extreme other end of Darshan. There are two rowdy sheeters also besides him. Darshan also spoke to a rowdy sheeter who was recently released via video call. Next to Darshan is Wilson Garden Naga, who was spotted with him. He's a dreaded gangster and a murder accused. He is also known to resolve real estate disputes. He was booked by state police under the Gangsters Act. Naga was also prime accused in 8 murder cases. Another rowdy sheeter next to Wilson Garden Naga is Dharma. He's seen in the video call allegedly made from jail. Dharma is a murder accused who recently killed a rowdy sheeter. He was also booked by the state police under the Gangsters Act. Another criminal, Satya, who was recently released from jail, who was imprisoned for a minor offence, is the one that Darshan is seen chatting with via video call.